party. Ha! So it was a party, and my party was better. Your workout wasn't supposed to be a party. No wonder Boulder would rather be at mine. He'd rather be at mine. Boulder! Boulder! Boulder!
Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Don't be so persistent.
Really, I'm insistent.
You know that you can't resist her.
He'll pick me the better sister.
We don't need to fight.
You know that I'm always right.
Now you just exaggerate.
Sorry, you're just irritating.
You know you don't always have to have your own way.
Oh, in my dreams.
You should know I always have to have the final say. Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, you're really starting to annoy me.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Pick me, 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 pick me.
No, but you can't just let me have this one moment. You always have to spoil. McLaren, he clearly wants to be at my party. I'm the superstar, remember?
Pick me, I'll throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.